Today, I'll be sharing with you the Warden Protocol and how you can get some free Ward tokens, even by playing games. Yes, the Warden Protocol, and you know what 2025 is all about? AI. So it is an AI-based platform that, in my best knowledge, allows you to test AI, and you can test it for free. At the same time, you're going to get rewarded. And as a matter of fact, you'll be rewarded the pump points, and this point will be converted into the Ward official token. If you find the video that you're watching right now useful, then you can support the channel by subscribing to it. I would also appreciate if you can turn on the notification bell to all. This way, whenever I post a video, you are going to get a notification of it. You can support the video further by liking and also dropping a comment if you have any question. If you want to get started with the Warden Protocol Airdrop, I'll drop a link at the description, and the moment you click on that link, it will take you to the Warden Protocol just as this, where you can get started either using your wallet, your social account, Google, or even your email address. So since this is an airdrop, I'll suggest you get started using your wallet, and when you do click on your wallet, just as I have clicked on mine for an example, you will then have to sign the transaction, and to finish the sign up process, you have to come over to the end section. Once you're at this end section, you should create your unique coin, and the only creation step is by putting a name. According to the Warden Protocol Airdrop, if you create your name, you have created your own token, and this way, you can increase your token by certain ways, which your token rewards is different from the pump reward. And all of these things are what is going to give you the official Ward token during the airdrop launch. So, click on to create the name. Once you've inserted the name, you have to save it. Then it is going to say the token name has been saved successfully, and you will get 1 token for a start. And gradually, you're going to be able to increase the token that you have. Let us see how to earn some pumps. Once you come over to the end section, you can complete tasks and pump your coin. So the main idea is, as you're doing tasks, you're getting more pumps, but at the same time, your token will be increasing. Just as it says, your activity, that is, the more you earn, the more you do, then you're going to be able to increase your tokens the more consistent you are on the platform, and the more referrals that you have. So it is basically earning pumps, and as we are earning the pumps, our token that started at 1 will be increasing. So the first way to earn will be the AI chat, and though when you chat, you can only earn once in a day. I mean the pumps, let's say you say hi for an example. So immediately the AI is going to respond, so you can always use the AI. But once you come over to the end center, you'll notice that some pumps has been added. Well, that's because your first chat for the day gives you 5 pump. But the more you chat with the AI, it actually increases your Ward airdrop reward. So another way to get 10 pumps is by swapping your tokens via chat. This other one is by checking in, it gives 1 pump, and I already checked in for the day. So here's where you play games to get the pumps, and to play a game, you just have to tap on the play. So you have to click on the play button. So while you're playing, always make sure that you get your sneak to get all these. Then that way you're gonna increase your score. So here's the highest score I have gotten, and that's it. There's actually a section that you can change the game you want to play. So this one comes soon. But for this particular one, you have to avoid obstacles, collect power-ups, collect crypto coins, and survive as long as possible. So you want to play it, you have to start the game. But that's just it, okay? And coming to my account balance, you can see I have gotten 10 pumps for the day, and that's it. But it says get 10 pumps daily by playing games, so maybe you get it once a day. But like I said, your activity matters. Even though you're not getting pumps, the more you're active playing, that's the better the Ward reward you're gonna get. So here's the leaderboard, and you can see how much people have earned in pumps so far. And this is just it. Now let's talk about another way that we can get some pump token, and that will be by inviting friends. So you get 50 pump for inviting a friend, each friend. And they just have to create their coin, because if you don't create the coin, how do you even expect to get the airdrop? So this will be a personal referral link. You have to copy it out and invite your friends. That's how to invite to earn, and you're getting 50 pumps each. The wallet section, and when the Ward Airdrop comes, we'll be able to claim it to this wallet. That's why I said get started with your actual wallet. So just keep exploring all the sections of the pump, and that way you're staying active. And according to this article that they wrote down, you're gonna notice that you get the pumps by chatting with agents, by making wallet transactions, by making many transactions, by exploring new features, and by inviting your friends. So what gives you the pump? You have to use the app. Every smart move you make counts. You make deposits and tokens to friends, make swaps, etc. You try new features. You're gonna get rewarded. You complete tasks and you're active on the platform. It increases your reward. You share and engage. It increases your reward. You refer friends. It increases your reward. And you also get second layer friends. So meaning if your friends invite, you're also gonna get rewarded for it. This is all about inviting friends and the multiplier that you can get from doing that. So this was about the token which we already saw. And once we do calm down, you're going to realize that the pump will be converted to the Ward. As a matter of fact, 10% of the total Ward token supply is gonna go to the community as a reward. So we are gonna get the Ward and 10% of it. And once we come right here to view more about the Ward allocation, you'll notice that they're gonna have a total supply of 1 billion Ward coins. That's where we are gonna get 10% from it for the airdrop. So all you got to do is to keep using the Ward to earn. At the same time, you have to stay updated for whatever takes place. Take note, by being part of my channel, I am gonna update you on whatever takes place on the Ward.